Hi guys, I'm recording this video for 3rd D because we got some connection problems this morning. As you remember, we reviewed the theme to and either. Okay, both are expressions that we use for statements that are agree. Okay, and my friends are going to help us to to practice some examples. Okay, let's practice some situations with the expression to. Remember, the expression to is used for positive statements. Okay, and we have some examples with these friends. Okay, let's see. I am color brown. I am color brown too. Another example. I have a tail. I have a tail too. Here it is. I walk. I walk too. Can you see? Positive statements. We use the expression to at the end. And also, we use the expression so for short answers. Okay, I'm going to share with you my slide. It says I use to agree with something positive. For example, and we have an example over there, a picture with two guys, one of them in color blue, his t-shirt, and the other one has a sweater in red color. Okay, they are in the same situation. Let's read the dialogue. It says, I like math. And the other boy expressed the same idea. I like math too. Can you see? This is an example of a positive sentence or a positive statement. Okay? We're going to see over here also examples of short answers. Okay? We can see here a long answer. For example, we were at the school. We were at the school too. But also we can use the expression to in a short answer with just 3 words. Can you see? We were at the school. We were too. Okay, so you just have to use a pronoun, a verb to be in positive way, and the expression to. This is a short answer. Okay, we can use also the word so, the expression so. It's very similar to the expression to. But the expression so is only used for short answers. Can you see? For example, they like that book. And if the other girl is thinking the same, she would say, so she did. Can you see? We use the expression so for short answers when we talk about positive statements, okay? They liked that book, so she did. That's a short answer, okay? And we use the expression so at the beginning, the verb to be, and the pronoun. Okay, so what can I do if our statement is negative? Can we use the expression to and so? We have another expression or another word to use it when your statement is negative. Let's listen some examples. They are going to help us again. Okay, I don't I don't eat other animals. I don't eat other animals either. You see, negative statement because we are using the word don't. And as you know, don't, it's a negative word, okay? Let's say another example. Okay. I am not an insect. I am not an insect either. Can you see? I am not. That means that there is a negative statement, okay? That's why we are using the word either. And also we can use the word neither, okay? So either and neither are words that can complete statements in negative way, okay? Okay, so use either to agree with something negative. For example, she doesn't play the guitar. That's one subject. But there is another subject in the same situation. He doesn't play guitar either. Can you see? There is a negative sentence, a negative statement that is happening in two subjects, okay? So we use the word either at the end of the sentence. We can use the word either in short answers too, with 3 words. For example, I'm not hungry, and we can say, if you are in the same situation, I am not either. Can you see? This is a short answer just with 3 words. I am not either. Okay, and we have the verb to be in negative form, the subject, the verb to be in negative form, and we have either. That's a short answer. Okay, and I told you that we can use neither also for negative statements when we have 2 statements agree but in negative form, and we are going to use it also in short answers, okay? But you have to be careful in this with this rules, grammatical rules, because when you are using either, your verb to be must be in negative form like this. I mean, doesn't, wasn't, didn't, okay? And if you use neither for negative statements, you have to be sure that you are using the verbs to be in positive manner. For example, am, those, was, were. Can you see? They are positive. So that's the only rule you have to follow when you use the expression either and neither. Both are for negative statements, but one of them, the word either, is combined with the negative form of the verb to be. And the word neither is combined with a positive form of the verb to be. Let's see the example from this picture. Okay, they are in trouble. I mean, they had a problem because the boy in color blue says, I didn't do well on the test. And what about the other boy? Look at his face. It's a negative situation because he didn't study. So the first boy says, I didn't do well on the test. And the second one is in the same situation. I didn't either. Okay, and that's a short form to express agreement, okay? Okay, guys, so what you have to remember is this. I wrote over here the most important information. We got the expressions to and either, okay? And we have to keep in mind that the expression to and so are used for positive statements. And the expression either and neither is used for negative ones. Okay, so with this summary, we are going to answer the word, the page from the student book 133. Okay, keep it in mind. Okay, in this morning class, we also answer the page 133 from student book, exercise F. Okay, and some of your classmates helped me to complete these sentences. The instruction says, write to or either to finish the sentences. Okay, so I'm going to help you to answer this exercise. It says, I climb up the stairs. Okay, what should another person say to be agree, to be in the same situation? Another person must say, I did too, or I did either. Remember that, I'm going to show you my board again. Remember that to is used for positive situational statements and either is used for negative ones. Okay, so in this case, I climb up the stairs is positive. So what should you use to complete this sentence? I did too or I did either. Excellent. I did too, because there is a positive statement. Now, number two, I didn't, listen, I didn't do well on the test. I didn't, is it a positive or a negative sentence? Let's think. What? Yeah, it is a negative one. So what word should you use to complete this agreement? Excellent. I didn't either. Great, good job. Now, number three. I love that movie. And if the other person is thinking the same, the other person must say, I did too or either. It's positive. I did too. Excellent. So this is the way you have to complete the sentences in this exercise, and also you have to complete or to answer another activities in your workbook. Okay, so I hope this video really helped you, and if you have any question, you can send me a message by email. See you later.